Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE with all-wheel drive in the Blizzard Pearl exterior color. Blizzard Pearl is a premium color option. It's a 4-door, 8-passenger sports utility vehicle with a 6-cylinder 3.5-liter engine. Puts out 295 horsepower. Its 68-liter tank delivers fuel economy ratings of 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 10.3 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This equates to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Let's check out the interior. Alright, here we are looking into the driver's side. Driver's side door panel has power locks and windows, silver door handle, silver trim, door pocket down there. Seats are covered in Softex leather. Driver and passenger seats are both heated. Passenger side has 8-way power adjustable seats, and driver side has 8-way power adjustments as well as lumbar adjustment controls. Push start button, which I've already got going. Steering wheel is leather wrapped and heated with Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as a Safety Sense 2.0 feature options. Focusing around. So you have your dynamic radar cruise control, and then up here above the dash in the color TFT Multi Information Display. There we go. We've got audio and your driving settings down here. Safety settings, sorry. Moving over, we've got the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Siri Eyes-Free compatibility. This is also where your backup camera is displayed. Moving down to 3-zone independent automatic climate control. Under the dash, cubby, which is going in there perfectly. 2 USB charging ports and USB audio input, cubby here, squeeze stitching, another shift knob. Drive mode controls, terrain select, traction control, brake holds, electronic brake holds, parking brake, and your center console storage compartment slides open to a sliding and removable tray into a pretty deep well, and then we've got a power outlet right there. Side door panel, power locks and windows, silver handle and trim continues, small dash cubby right across on the passenger side above the glove compartment. Looking up, we've got the power slide and tilt moonroof. Beautiful day out there. And up top here are the controls and your integrated garage door opener, interior lighting controls, and a overhead sunglasses compartment of our auto dimming rearview mirror. Alright, we're going to pop back outside and have a look at the exterior. The 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE has both LED fog lamps and headlamps, windshield wiper de-icer, unique 18-inch alloy wheels with front and rear splash guards, heated exterior mirrors with integrated signal lamps, chrome roof rails, rear spoiler, roof mounted shark fin antenna, rear bumper protector, and oops, sorry, goodness, get a hold of yourself, Rachel. Power rear door. The third row seating, 60-40 split seating, is folded down. That's the tonneau cover there in the box still. And seasonal floor mats. Just gives you an idea of how much cargo space you can get. And also imagine the amount of more space you would get with the second row folded down. Another fantastic feature about this Highlander is its towing capacity, which is actually up to 5,000 pounds. Alright, back here our black Softex leather seats continue on one of two rear cabin seating options, both 60/40 split, fold down, slide and recline. The center fold down or pull down armrest, nice and high up there with two cup holders. Digital climate control, two USB charging ports, back seat pockets, and sunshade on both windows. So the second row seat, here are the manual controls here. So we just fold it down, and then here, fold it all the way down. So it gives you all that cargo room, and then you can just slide it right up. I don't need to do that. Anyways, here's the third row, and I pulled the 60% of the seat back up. So you can see we got two cup holders on each side. That side still folded down. Lots of leg room, lots of headroom, tons of cargo space back here. I'll just put this right back up. Alright, that was the 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE with all-wheel drive in the beautiful Blizzard Pearl exterior color. This is loaded with features and space, and you've got to see it for yourself, so give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to get you booked in for a test drive. Don't forget, hit like and subscribe to keep these videos coming.